Most of my patients don't realize they have a breach in their internal security. If you're struggling with insulin resistance, the problem isn't just what you are eating, it's what's leaking in your blood. Let's audit your gut barrier. Stop blaming slow metabolism. After 30 years in medicine, I can tell you, you don't have a weight problem, you have a barrier problem. Your leaky gut is jamming your insulin locks. Here is the clinical proof. Imagine your gut is a high security fence. Now imagine the fence is falling apart and the toxins are flooding your system and putting your metabolism on high alert. This is metabolic breach, and most doctors are missing it. Hello everybody, I'm Dr. PK, board certified internist practicing in California for more than 30 years. My videos are for educational purpose only. Today, we aren't just talking about bloating or indigestion. We're talking about a fundamental metabolic breach that is likely the hidden driver behind your insulin resistance, your brain fog, and your inability to lose weight. See, most people think of the gut as a tube for food. In reality, your body's most important security fence. It's a single layer of cells, thinner than a strand of hair, that decides what enters your bloodstream and what stays out. When the fence is healthy, it allows nutrients in but keeps toxins, undigested food, and bacteria out. But when we flood our fence with industrial seed oils, processed sugars, chronic stress, the tight junctions, the literal staples of that fence begins to break apart. And this is the clinical reality of intestinal permeability or leaky gut. You have a breach in the perimeter. So once the barrier is breached, bioinsults leak into your blood. Your immune system, which has 70% of its troops stationed right behind that gut wall, goes into a state of high alert. It triggers systemic inflammation, releasing cytokines that travel throughout your body. And here's the metabolic connection. The inflammation acts like gum in your insulin locks. Your pancreas can pump all the insulin keys it wants, but the locks is jammed by inflammation signals from your gut. Your blood sugar stays high. Your fat burning shuts down. You cannot fix your insulin until you fix the breach. How do you know if you have a breach? Audit your labs, looks at your CRP. If it is above 1, your body is on fire. Look for triglyceride H to HDL ratio. If it is high, your liver is likely struggling with the fallout of this gut breach. And the fix isn't a magic pill, it's a biological reinforcement. We need to hit 30 to 50 grams of diverse fiber daily, not just for digestion, but to feed keystone bacteria like Akkermansia that literally reseal your gut lining. We swap bioinsults for bioshields. And I have laid out a step-by-step barrier reset protocol in our master metabolic roadmap. Download the audit, check your markers, and let's start healing from the inside out. I'm Dr. PK. Let nature help heal you.